Welcome to Fly Vision. I'm show you how to tie my ultra egg. The good part about the ultra egg is it's a half an egg, very similar to Jeff Blood's blood dot. With this tying style with the half an egg, what it gives you an advantage of is having an open hook gap underneath. So therefore you can tie it on any hook you use, blood, dry fly hook, and nymph hook. If you still want to use a scud hook, you can. But with a scud hook, what's going to happen? With such a wide open gap in there, it's going to cause it to snag more. Using white uni 8R and wrap it back to about the point. Take my piece of yarn, bring my thread bag up. You want a nice tight thread base with this fly. Splay my yarn, back up. These guys run up too far, just simply trim them out of the way. Don't be shy with thread wraps on this fly. Now for the inner workings of the ultra egg. What these inner workings are going to actually do for you is it's going to give you the structure that you need, and it's also going to keep your structure after catching fish. All right, wrapped up, wrap back. We're going to throw one loop, one, and let's run back. Make sure loops get flat. Take your glow bug yarn, using steelhead orange. What I like to do is I put it around my thread like that, and then with my thread tight, coming down, pull it down nice and tight. One wrap in front, one wrap behind, one more in front, just tied on. It's very similar to doing a parachute. I like to wrap to the eye, come back up. Make yourself a loop of equal size to your last one. Wrap back over it to push it back. Shirt spreads out. Bring your thread in front. Make yourself another loop. It's going to help structure. Those ends up. Snip that guy out of there. You don't need him anymore. Open up your loops where you're thin with your fingers. Force them down and open. Flatten them out. Get them away from the glow bug yarn. Take your glow bug yarn, lift up on it hard, pull on it. Put your scissors down close, snip it. You have any glow bug yarn that's resonating off that you missed, simply just snip it out. You basically have a blood dot fly right here. Now we're going to take the veil over. When you bring it over, pinch it once you get over to the top. See how it's sitting, and then pinch and loop. Tie it down with 2 turns. Then you can tighten your veil. You don't like how some fibers are sitting. You can always trim and walk. Lift up through your reel. Tight turns. That'll lock your other turns down. I like to pull this back. Go into the whip finish. I whip backwards. People say not to whip backwards, but it doesn't matter. What matters is when you tighten your whip. When you tighten it, don't pull down. Remember, you've whipped backwards. Pull it straight back. In that case, my thread broke right there. Cut that tag out. Or I'd cut this guy nice and flush, and basically have an ultra egg. What I like to do, to make the ultra egg extra secure, to secure that veil even more, take your favorite head cement. I like Sally Hansen's hard as nails. Get it right on that head, right onto your wraps. And as you can see, we're clear underneath, leaving you plenty of room. If I get the fly wet, of course I'm going to retie this one because there's no way that head cement was dry. For video's sake, will sacrifice a tie. You have yourself half egg that's nice and solid. Not solid to the point where the fish take it and spit it out, because it feels unnatural. It's nice and squishy, just like if you were to pick up a real egg. That's my ultra egg, Johnny, Utah.